What's going on, everybody? My name is Justin Conroy, Financial Dad, and in this video we're going to talk about how to transfer money to a Fidelity Brokerage account. Let's go ahead and get right to it. First thing you want to do is log into your account. You want to type in your username and password, then click Login. It's going to bring you to a home page, but I'm going to go to Account Balances just to make sure that we can all start on a unified location. There's of course a few different ways to get to where we need to be, but this is the route I'm going to go. As you can see, I have $0 in this account at the moment, so let's go ahead and get some money into the account. Up at the top left, you'll see a button called Transfer, so go up there and click that button. This will bring you to a page that has a question: which account do you want to move money from? Hopefully by now you've already linked a bank account. If you don't yet have a bank account linked to your Fidelity account yet, that's not really a problem. It's a pretty straightforward process. I've got a video on the topic if you want the details, but all you need to do is click the button down below that says link a bank account to a Fidelity account, and it'll take you through the process. It's really easy. But since I've already got a bank account linked, let's go that direction. And we'll get a follow-up question that says, where will the money be transferred to? And of course, we want to select our Fidelity account. Next question is how much money? I'm going to do $5,000 and click Continue down below. This will bring you to the review page. You just want to make sure everything on this page is correct before you click Submit. Once you click Submit, it'll initiate the transfer, and there's not really too much you can do about it. At this point, we get a confirmation that the money is on its way from the bank account to the brokerage account. But if you move on to your account balances page at this point, depending on how much money you put in, if you're like me, you'll see that the money is already available for trading, so that's a good thing. We can go ahead and buy some stocks or ETFs or whatever you want at this point. If you like quick to the point personal finance content just like this, do me a favor and hit the little like button down below. It's a little bit of effort on your end and it helps me out tremendously. I would really appreciate it. Hope this video helps. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.